Dr. Alexander, please take your floor.
Thank you very much. Can you hear me, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we are hearing.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. It's a privilege for me to give remarks at this occasion of a seminar on small hydropower technology for Rwanda. Ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. Good morning for those who are in Rwanda, and good afternoon for those who are in China. So I'm Alexander Rutikanga, as mentioned, the Deputy CEO of the Sustainable Agriculture and Livestock Initiative. For more details on myself and SALI, please refer to the short bio in the guide manual. SALI is a registered NGO, a think tank, and a major delivery agency into the entrepreneurial drive of agriculture, renewable energy, environment, market linkages, and ICT as a cross-cutting tool. So all are geared towards promoting the principles of the circular economy in Rwanda and in the region. So as I discussed with the organizer, Andy, my speech is more an infographic than a classical speech. So the seminar and its connection with Rwanda, China, and the global perspectives is embedded in the whole butterfly model, also commonly known as the circular economy context. Ladies and gentlemen, you must have heard about the circular economy concept. It's nothing else than three major elements. Number one is closed cycles. Just think about the ecosystem. Renewable energy, just a cascade type of energy flow, and systems thinking, whereby all the actors in the economy, companies, people, and organisms are taken into account. So when we talk about circular economy concept, we need also to have in mind the linear economy concept, and therefore try to draw a comparison. Circular economy mainly focuses on reducing, reusing, and recycling of resources, while linear economy concept resources, use, dispose of, and incineration, that is the model, or simply take, make, and dispose. Ladies and gentlemen, around this seminar on small hydropower technologies, there are so much opportunities because hydroelectric power is a renewable energy, though some authors can say no, but it is officially and globally known as a renewable energy. By looking at the picture we see here before us, you can see how much the outcomes for this training will also contribute to the global circular economy, which is a green economy. So the author who spoke before me mentioned renewable energy. You can see on the left part of this figure that we have green. This is the green part of the renewable, the circular economy, whereby renewable energy play a key role. And when we talk about renewable energy, there is such small hydropower technologies, solar energy, biogas, and wind, to name a few. So all in all, the circular economy means we have to make sure what we use is taken back to the process of production and the cycle continues. Ladies and gentlemen, this seminar is also, can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Yes, you are together.
This seminar is also a great contribution to achieving the SDGs. As you know, we have 17 SDGs, and most of them, the outcomes of this seminar will help achieve some of these 17 SDGs. For example, affordable and clean energy. And what about partnerships for the goals, to name a few among the 17? Ladies and gentlemen, particularly participants and the young ones from Rwanda, did you know that the ancient Chinese big inventions, they are a big achievement in this world? I mean, paper making, printing, gunpowder, and a compass. So we need to keep in mind that whenever we see paper, we have to think that it has origins in China. Printing has origin in China, gunpowder has origin in China, and the compass has origin in China. So the four great inventions of ancient China are a significant contribution to Chinese nations to the world civilization. Therefore, there is a lot to exchange between China and Rwanda, for example, homegrown solutions that we can make a long list to share with our fellow Chinese. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to give a take-home message to the young ones and experienced participant in this seminar. So we should note that education never ends, and we should also note that change is the result of all true learning. So therefore, what you will be able to achieve after the seminar, that is what will help us to know really what change you will have brought in this world, particularly in Rwanda. And also know that education is the passport to the future. Is it the passport to the future? For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Again, dear participants, an investment knowledge pays the best interest. Thus, try to start and finish, never drop out in the middle of the 4-week training period. Allow me to thank the organizers, that is the National Research Institute for Rural Electrification, Hanju Region Center for Small Hydropower, SALI, University of Rwanda, UTAB, and others, particularly the sponsor, who is the Ministry of Commerce of the People's Republic of China. Dear participants who managed to make it now and who are committed to keep joining and contributing to this seminar, that is a big up, and we encourage you to get more from this training. So Rwanda is good, China is good, vive Rwanda, vive China. I wish you fruitful training. Thank you, Shinshia.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Alexander Lutikanga. Thank you for your inspiring speech. And we believe that this seminar will strengthen the